Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we will gonna talk about the Shopify. If you are in an e-commerce industry or you are selling anything or you have a small business, so Shopify is really important for you guys. So if you wanna grow your business, so you need to have a Shopify store. So you need to create your Shopify store. So for example, you are selling anything from Amazon or different, so you need to create your Shopify store e-commerce website. Simply Shopify is an online platform that will help you to create website without coding. So it doesn't require much coding. So it's a graphic base or drag and drop, simply drag and drop platform. You can easily make any e-commerce website via Shopify. You can create Shopify store. For example, you have a clothing brand or you have a different type of brand. You have ladies brand or something like that. So you can make your Shopify store and you can sell your stuff on your store. So that's how you can create your Shopify, or so that will help you to grow your business. So hope you guys like this video. So see you in the next video.
Perfect.